In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set up and install your HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP M281fdw series printer on your Windows laptop, PC, or desktop device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google, you want to search for HP Color LaserJet Pro, and then a space MFP, and then another space M281fdw support. Go ahead and search for that. Best results should come back with an HP support page that says HP Color LaserJet Pro, MFP, and then a space M281fdw software and drivers. Go ahead and open up that link. And then scrolling down here, you want to expand the installation software and driver section and select the HP Easy Start Printer Setup software. Go ahead and download that. And then once it's downloaded to your system, go ahead and open up that file to begin extracting it. And it should be a verified publisher, HP Inc. Select yes, and then proceed with the on-screen wizard about configuring your device for your printer, if you want to have a wired or wireless connection, for example. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.